me. I've been waiting for my orders for 30 minutes.
Good day, sir. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me assist you. I understand na matagal po yung waiting time niyo.
Yes, but no one updated me.
I sincerely apologize po. Let me check your order right away. Thank you for waiting, sir. Your order is being prepared now and will be served within 5 minutes. While waiting, we'd like to offer you a complimentary drink po.
Alright, thank you.
Here's your order po. Thank you for your patience. Is there anything else I can assist you?
Everything's good now. Thank you.
Handling complaints with empathy, professionalism, and quick action leads to satisfied guests. Always listen, apologize, solve, and follow up.